Hello Year 2, welcome back. In the last set of times tables we are going to investigate are the 10 times tables. So, as usual, we're going to do some warm-up exercises and we're going to recap how to count in tens. Are you ready? All right, let's have a look. So, our first question asks us how many counters? I see two 10 frames. Do you recognize 10 frames? Or two Numicon sets? We'd be very familiar with these groups of 10. So I know there's two of them, so I can count to tens. 10, 20. There's 20 counters. Let's look at question 2. I see a block of 10. We use towers of 10 all the time. We recognize them very quickly. And there's only one, so we only need to do one count of 10, and the answer is 10. There are 10 ones. All right, we've got a number track of counting in tens. Are you going to do it with me? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done. You've counted in tens all the way to 100. All right, look at this interesting picture. Here is Rosie, and she's got a 1, a cube, a single cube to represent a 1. I wonder what's going to happen when she puts her 1 into this cool machine. Wow, look at that. They got 10 times bigger. It's a multiplier machine. What do you think might happen if she puts 2 1s in? What is 10 times bigger than 2 1s? Let's see. Here they go. Out they've come. That's right. 2 10s or 20. Let's see what happens next. What's she going to get? How many 1s is she going to put into her machine? Come on, Rosie. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 1s gone into the machine. And they've been multiplied. The multiplier machine has worked. What is 10 times bigger than 6 1s? That's right, it's 6 10s or 60. That's 10 times bigger than 6. Cool machine. Imagine if we all had one. We could put our coins in and they'd come out in multiples of 10. That would be great, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm going to show you something a little bit different now. This is a bar model. Do you remember what a bar model is? If you've forgotten, it's a pictorial representation of the equal parts of a whole. In this bar model, we have divided 30 into 3 lots of 10. Shall we count them in tens together just to remind ourselves? 10, 20, 30. The 3 10s together make up 30. We have divided 30 into lots of 10s. So how can we fill out our multiplication sentence to match this bar model? We've just said it. 3 lots of 10s. 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. Or we can also say 10 3 times equals 30. Let's see if we got that right. Yes, 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. Or 10 multiplied by 3 equals 30. Aha! Another bar model. How many 10s are there? Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 10s. Shall we count them in 10s together and see what they make up? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Can we write a multiplication sentence using that information? 9 lots of 10 gives us 90. Or 10 lots of 9 is also 90 because we can write them one way and the other. All right, let's show that one. There it is. 9 multiplied by 10 is 90, or 10 multiplied by 9 equals 90. It's an interesting way to represent it visually. It's not an array, it's a bar model. Excellent. Okay. Let's go on to our next little problem. Here's Dexter, he's back. He doesn't have towers with him this time. He has coins. But we could treat a 10p piece the same as a tower of 10. Each would be made up of 10 ones. Okay, so how many coins does he have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coins. And how much is each coin worth? Do you remember we learned this, that we look for the number on the coin? Each coin is worth 10p or 10 pence. That's right. All right. So let's count in tens to calculate the total amount of money. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So how much money does he have in total? He has 70p. 7 10p's. Okay, let's have a look and see what our answer is here. Oh, run too far, Miss Higgins. There it is. He has 7 coins, each worth 10 pence. So we have in total 70 pence. And we can write that as 7 multiplied by 10, 7 10 pence coins to get 70, or 10 7 times. 10 multiplied by 7 equals 10. They're commutative. We can swap them around. Well done if you got those correct. All right, we're going to look at something fun now. Let's have a look. Here is this character. He's called Mo, apparently. And what is he doing? What has he done? Look, do you see? He has put yellow post-it notes on each of his stairs to remind him of the 10 times table as he climbs. Okay, he's going to climb up now, and we're going to say the 10 times table with him. He starts with 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Well done, Mo. Let's see what happens next. Oh no, on his next set of stairs, some of them are missing. But it's okay. It's like when we saw our counting in tens at the very beginning with some of them missing. We can do the counting with them, and we can fill in the gaps. Let's have a go. All right, Mo, you ready to go? Right, let's see. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We did it for him. Could you try that? Could you put some post-its on your stairs so that you have to shout them out as you climb up each time? That'd be kind of fun, wouldn't it? All right, let's have a go at some of these questions. Oh, it's giving away the answer. 5 multiplied by 10. What's the answer? Well, you've just seen it. But if you hadn't seen it and you didn't know, you could count in tens. Let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Brilliant. We did our 5 times tables yesterday. Could we count in 5s? Could we swap it around? We'd have to do it 10 times, wouldn't we? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So 10 times 5 is the same as 5 times 10. And yeah, we're right. The answer is 50. All right, let's look at our next question. Okay, 10 times 2. I think a lot of us would know that in our heads. 10, 20, or 10 plus 10. We know our 2 times tables. We could do it counting in 2s 10 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And we get the same answer no matter which way we do it. Let's see, 20. All right, the next one. 8 multiplied by 10. Do you know that off the top of your head? If you don't, let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We hopped 8 times, and we know that 8 multiplied by 10 equals 80. Fantastic. 10 multiplied by 10. You might know that the answer to that question straight off. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. We could count if you wanted to, but a lot of people know that 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Interestingly though, what is 10 multiplied by 11? Maybe you don't know that one off the top of your head, but you can use information that you have to figure it out fairly quickly. Because if you know that 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, we just add on one more 10. 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. Should we count it out and check? Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and I need one more, I need a total, 110. So we double checked our answer. We counted in tens 11 times. We know that 10 multiplied by 11 is indeed 110. There it is. So, year 2, you've had an investigation into the 10 times table today, and you're going to go away now and answer the multiplication sentences and do your own investigation into the 10 times table. Enjoy.